Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're going to show you how to harvest your leaf lettuce at just the right time and share tips on how to keep it growing all season long. Let's get started. Knowing when to harvest your leaf lettuce is key to getting the best flavor. Look for leaves that are about 3 to 6 inches long and still tender. If the leaves start to look too large or tough, they might be past their prime, so aim to harvest before that happens. To keep your lettuce growing strong, use the cut and come again method. Snip the outer leaves with scissors, leaving the center leaves and the base intact. This encourages your plant to produce more leaves, giving you a steady supply of fresh greens. Once harvested, your leaf lettuce is ready to be enjoyed in salads, sandwiches, or even as a garnish. It's a versatile ingredient that brings a fresh, crisp flavor to any dish. And remember, the more you harvest, the more your lettuce will grow. With these tips, you'll have fresh, homegrown lettuce all season long. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy gardening!